Hello guys, in today's video I'll be walking you through how to make money online by simply posting pins. Be sure to subscribe and like this video because YouTube is telling me that about 90% of you guys watching my videos are not yet subscribed. So before we dive into this video, comment hashtag Pinterest money. Make sure to watch this video to the end and please do not skip any parts of this video since you might end up skipping important parts that may help you earn money. Let's dive into the video. Okay guys, now back on my laptop screen, the first step we have to take for this method to work is to click on the first link in this video's description, which will bring you here. This is the official website of Sonic. So all we have to do is just scroll down to the bottom of this page. Then under the company section, all we have to do is click on the join now button, which will send us to this page where you would enter your email address, your first name, and your password, and you check this button here to verify that you are not a robot. Here, not a robot. So in this case, it says select all images with bridges. So you come here, this is a bridge, this is a bridge, this is a bridge. Click on verify and you click on sign up. I already have an account, so I'll quickly log in. So after you log in, all you have to do is, after you sign up, all you have to do is just scroll down here and copy your affiliate link here. And the next step we have to take for this method to work is to go over to canva.com. So all you have to do after you head over to canva.com is just click here, which says Pinterest pin, and it will send you to a new canvas here. Then all we have to do is just go to text, then we add this text here, then you just select it here like so, and we type this is better than chat GPT here like so. Then we just have to delete this portion since we don't need it and decrease the size of the text like so. Then reposition it like so. Then we click on effects, then background here to make it look a little bit nice. Then we go over to elements and we drag a circle here. We drag another circle too here, make it a little bit bigger here. Then we position this down, this up, and we come to text again, and then we drag a heading here, and then we type in the greater than sign here. We make it bold and a little bit bigger like so. drag it here, we reposition it like so. Then we just click on the background here, go through the colors and select any. So all we have to do is just go to our uploads and upload the logo of ChatGPT and ChatSonic here. So make sure it fits into here like so. And also we find the logo of ChatGPT, and we just have to fix it here like so. So the circle is not needed here, just fix the logo here like so. Then all we have to do is just click on the share button here, click on download, and click on download once again, and then the pin will be downloaded onto your computer. So the next step we have to take is to go over to pinterest.com here and sign up using your email or Google. So I have an account here and I'll quickly log in so we can proceed. So after you have signed up or logged in into your Pinterest account, all you have to do is just click on this button which says create and click on create pin here. Then all you have to do is drag and drop this pin we created using Canva. Then all you have to do is just retype almost the same caption. This is better than ChatGPT. Then maybe we add an exclamation sign. Then this is the most important step in order to earn money, to add a destination link. And to add a destination link, all we have to do is just go back to our ChatSonic dashboard and copy our referral link, then come back to Pinterest and paste our referral link. Then all we have to do is just click on save. And as you can see, our Pinterest pin has been posted. So now anytime someone sees our pin and clicks on it, they will be sent to the official website of ChatSonic, and when they sign up, we will be able to earn an income. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Make sure to click on one of the videos that is showing up on your screen now.